Hello everyone, it's Dr. Sushi Desai here. So here I am today to create awareness about the most common threat post-COVID, which is mucormycosis, जिसे हम commonly black fungal infection के नाम से भी जानते हैं. What is mucormycosis and when does it occur? Basically, it is a type of fungal infection, and the patients with weaker immune system are at higher risk of developing this disease. Previously it was a rare disease, but these days it is most commonly seen in patients post COVID, जिनको ऑलरेडी कोविड हो चुका है, रिकवर हो चुके हैं कोविड से, उनको ज़्यादा चांसेस है ये डिसीज़ होने के, बिकॉज उनका इम्यून सिस्टम और रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम काफ़ी वीक हो चुका है. इफ़ नॉट डायग्नोस्ड अर्लियर दिस कैन टर्न फेटल. अगर स्टार्टिंग के अर्ली स्टेजेस में इसका डायग्नोसिस अच्छी तरह से नहीं होता है तो ये जानलेवा भी साबित हो सकता है. सो प्लीज़ अश्योर दैट ड्यूरिंग द कोविड-19 और इवन आफ्टर द रिकवरी ऑफ कोविड-19, इवन रिकवरी हो जाने के बाद अगर आपको साइनसाइटिस और टीथ इन्फेक्शन जैसे कोई भी सिम्टम्स दिखते हैं तो प्लीज़ कंसल्ट योर फिजिशियन, ENT और डेंटिस्ट फॉर द सेम एंड डोंट टेक इट लाइटली. Now, who are at higher risk of developing this disease? Patients who are having uncontrolled diabetes, जिनको uncontrolled diabetes है वो patients ज़्यादा risk पर है for developing this disease. The second is ketoacidosis or else any sort of kidney disorders. The third and the most important is the patients who are on long-term steroid therapies. Patients जो काफ़ी समय से steroids पे है उनको ज़्यादा chances है ये disease होने के. So make sure that you consult your physician and have a routine checkup for the same. Nowadays we can observe that there are many WhatsApp forwards coming for the treatment of COVID-19, and patients who are tested positive for this COVID-19, they do become a doctor themselves and trust on these WhatsApp forwards and take medications accordingly, which also includes steroids. Now some patients may need steroids, some patients may not. Remember that each and every medication has its indications and contraindications. So I would recommend that you consult your physician for the same and follow the protocols given by the physician, and don't just trust on these WhatsApp forwards and become a doctor on your own. So now, what are the warning signs and symptoms of this disease? First and the foremost is swelling, pain and redness around the eyes and nose. Eyes and nose के surrounding swelling, सूजन होना या तो फिर pain होना और redness होना. Nasal congestion होना means nasal blockage, and even sometimes with discharge which could be blackish or bloody. Nose में से blackish या bloody discharge होना. The third is involvement of the face of one side. एक side पे face पे आपको facial pain महसूस होना या तो फिर swelling होना, numbness होना, सूजन होना एक side पे face पे. The fourth involvement is of teeth and jaw. दांतों और जबड़े में सूजन होना, swelling around the teeth and jaw, pain in gums, loosening of teeth, दांतों का हिलना. The fifth involvement is of palate. Palate may show blackish discoloration or else swelling. तालू पे सूजन होना या तो फिर blackish discoloration होना. You can also have blurred vision or double vision. आँखों से धुंधला दिखना या तो फिर double vision होना. This all are the symptoms of mucormycosis. So if you are having any of those, please consult your physician, ENT for the same and get it treated on early stages, because it can turn fatal. Now what can we do to prevent this, and what are the precautions that can be taken for this disease? The first and the foremost, which I told prior also, is avoid trusting WhatsApp forwards and taking steroid medications on your own as a treatment basis of COVID-19. Please consult your physician for the same. The second is don't panic and just be alert. Awareness is the most important factor which is necessary for getting prevented by this disease. The third is a good oral hygiene. A good oral hygiene is a must, foremost factor to prevent this fatal fungal infections. So brush your teeth properly and make sure that you have betadine goggles at least twice a day, even during COVID or even after getting recovered from COVID-19. If you are having any sort of habit of chewing tobacco or alcohol, please do quit it. And the important other thing is, if you're having any underlying disease like diabetes mellitus, then please get your sugar levels checked frequently post COVID. Lastly, if you notice any sort of pus discharge, pain in teeth and jaw, mobility in teeth, bad breath, or any respiratory symptoms, then please consult your physician for the same and get it treated, because this can be the early sign of mucormycosis. So just stay safe, stay home, and please stay aware. Please share this video as much as you can so that we can be helpful in creating awareness of mucormycosis and how fatal it is. Thank you.